Alright, welcome back, fellas. Today is August 19th, I believe. Yep. Today we have a little Bitcoin update for you guys. As you can see, we have a little dip in the market today. We are getting pretty fearful here. I think we're definitely going to see these territories pretty soon, probably October, November. I'm going to get into that in a little bit. As you can see, everything's pretty much doing nothing. It's been slowly just climbing down a little bit. Same with Bitcoin. We're slowly bleeding a little bit and doing nothing. Waiting for that bull run. Everything's dirt cheap right now. This is a great buy right here. Cardano. But we scroll down. I mean, look at this H-bar. I mean, H-bar is actually overperforming the entire market right now. Going on a little run of its own. Quant only $100, staying pretty strong though, in my opinion. But yeah, these are all some great buys. But today we are going to be talking about Bitcoin, in specific. And I'm going to be sharing my little analysis here for you guys. So everything here still stays the same fundamentally. I mean, nothing changed fundamentally. I think we can all agree on Bitcoin. So if we go to the technicals, alright, this is the halving events. Halving event. So we're slowly getting there. Alright, now it's going to be easier when I go to this. This is the short-term view. Alright, this is going to be the short-term view, and this is going to be the long-term view. So I have two different perspectives, and it's going to really put you guys into perspective, of what I'm seeing, and this is all going to be based on the Elliot Wave Theory. So as you can see, bull run. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4. This is, I guess, the wave 5. You can technically say. Now we're gonna go back into the 1, 2. Technically. Now, let's go here. And here we go. So this is all Elliot Wave. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. This is the bull run. All right, we have the wave 1, 2, the 3. This is an extended 4. We don't see this often, but it happened. And then the 5th wave top over here. All right, with this sub wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as you can see going up, and then down, exactly as I predicted. We have a long way long, down 1, 2, 3, long. This is, long consolidating wave 4, and then down to the wave 5 in November. Now we are looking at a perfect setup here, which I am going to explain. You're going to see why this correlates with the long term in a second. But we have, down to this wave 5, right? So we are going to have this impulse up. So we have the 1, 2. We have the 3, 4 here, the long wave 4, and then the 5, a little 5 wave top, up to the 1.236 extension. That's very common. Honestly, it's pretty common to hit this, but we didn't get there so far. And I don't think we're gonna see that now. We're probably gonna bleed into this area ish for a little while. Maybe it's like 22. We're probably not gonna. I don't think we're gonna come down this, below this. This line, 100%. I don't think we're gonna break this line. Like this number right here. All right, now as you can see, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right now, keep that in mind. Now, if you see here, we're gonna zoom in a little bit. Okay, as you can see, the wave 5. You see the RSI. It peaked over here. Okay, and the wave 3. That's why we had the slowly bleeding. The slow, not extended wave 5 up here. That's why we saw, a little wave 5 topped. But that's the indicator of the wave 5 right here. That's the little RSI below the top over here. So clear peak that we're going to see the So yeah, clear sign that we're gonna see the this is going to be a 1 and 2 in the long term. You see how that works? 1, 2. Now we're probably gonna see like a wave 3 up here, like a 1, 4, and like a boom, something like that. You know what I mean? It's all subwaves. It is all about the subwaves. And as you can see, MACD, boom, down. RSI, boom, down. Now, that leads me into my next point with the total market cap here. Alright, no. Next we're going to talk about the Bitcoin dominance too, because the dominance has reached a high over here. Usually, it is, rule of thumb, you want to buy altcoins when the Bitcoin dominance is getting high. That means because there's too much money coming into Bitcoin, right? The altcoins are going to get it very cheap. It's usually the indicator of like the bear markets, or and then you want to sell the altcoins over here. This is usually when they top. Is down here. Now we broke this line, which is pretty surprising, but the money is definitely coming into Bitcoin for show. So we're probably gonna hover around this line and probably come down, but this is a great time to buy altcoins. Great time to buy altcoins, any altcoin. All right, just pick and choose. Literally just pick and choose. Do your research. Total cap 2. Bottoming out. We saw this again here in the 2019 bear market, bottoming out, looking amazing. But yeah, clear indicator that all coins should be bought, and Bitcoin, this dip means absolutely fucking nothing. Like we're not going down here, I'll tell you that. I mean, there's a very slight chance. I mean, maybe if there's like a huge look at COVID. Like COVID didn't even cause a sell-off that hard. I mean, and we only reached these levels for probably like a day too. Like we really only went down here. So I expect to really go down maybe like over here, like close to this red line, if that. Like I don't see us really going further. But yeah, that's just a quick little update. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.